Good afternoon and welcome to Courtroom Chronicles, Trials of South Africa. It's holiday season in South Africa. People are booking trips, planning getaways, and looking forward to a well-deserved break. But the last thing anyone expects is to lose their holiday money to a scam. Today, we are talking about a woman named Premila Shaningam, known online as the Holiday Scandal Lady. She ran a travel agency called Silver Touch Events and Travel. And according to multiple victims, that agency collected money for luxury holidays that were never booked. Families paid for flights, hotels, and full packages. They received what looked like legitimate confirmations, but when travel day arrived, many discovered there were no flights, no reservations, and no holiday waiting for them. Some victims say they only found out at the airport. Others say they were left without answers after months of promises and delays. What's been confirmed so far is that several families have already reported their losses and criminal cases have been opened. Right now, these are the cases officially on record. If more victims appear in verified reports, they will be encouraged to follow the proper channels and to come forward. This story is a reminder to stay vigilant during the festive season. Always verify your travel agent, double check your bookings directly with airlines and hotels, and be cautious of deals that look too perfect. This is a case of Premila Shaningam, the woman many are calling the Holiday Scandal Lady. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.